Hey guys, so we're making oven roasted corn. It's super simple. This is all you're gonna need. Yes, one pan, 2 cans of corn, paprika, garlic salt, Pam, and some olive oil. Also, go ahead and get a bowl out and your can opener. Let's get started. All right guys, so we have our bowl and our can opener. Get that corn in the bowl. Now we're gonna add some olive oil. And we're not a whole ton, just a little bit. Take a look. Let's go ahead and add our spices. We've got paprika. So you're gonna add some paprika here. Let me show you the bowl. Okay, you can see I'm gonna be generous with this one. A little more, and let's move on to garlic salt. Let's add our garlic salt again. Use that generosity, super easy. Spray your pan with Pam. Mix up your stuff in your bowl. See, there we go, voila. Put it in the pan, and you're gonna lay it out as flat as you can. Here. Nice and flat, and here's a preview. Pierogies and kielbasa, check out my other video. These go amazing together. Last step, put it in the oven, broil on high for somewhere between 7 to 25 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your corn. But it is so tasty. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to check out the main dish to go with it, kielbasa and pierogies. All right, guys, post your pictures in the comments down below. I can't wait to see what you made.